Okay, so this question is going to be again testing our knowledge of logarithms. So we've got an internet search engine uses a logarithmic scale to rank the importance of internet websites. If a website has S visits each week, the site rank R is given by that equation there. The reference value is the minimum number of visits to register on the scale. So we're asked to determine the site rank for websites whose video is 100 times the reference value, okay? So if we sub into that equation, we're going to have the rank, which is going to be R, equals 2 times log 10 of 100, S0 is 100 times the reference value, over S0. Now these two are going to cancel out. We're going to end up with 2 times log 10 of 100. Now log 10 of 100, 10 to the power of 2 gives us 100, so we're going to end up with 2 times 2, which is the same as 4. Given a site of rank 12 is assigned to a website with 1.5 billion visits per week, determine the value of S0. Okay, so again, we can construct our equation from the information given. We have got 12 equals 2 times log 10 of, and I'm going to use the scientific notation for e's here, 1.5 times 10 to the 9 divided by S0. Okay, so once we have this equation, we are going to divide everything by 2. So we're going to end up with 6 equals log 10 of the same thing what we had up here. Okay, now we're going to raise, when we want to solve log equations, we usually raise, put all of these as the exponent of the power of this. So we're going to end up with 10 to the 6. Now if we do 10 to the log 10, that's going to undo the log. So we're going to end up with 1.5 times 10 to the 9 over S0. So that's going to be the same thing as 10 to the 6 equals 1.5 times 10 to the 9 all over 10 to the 6. So that's going to give us 1.5 times, oops, sorry, meant to have S0 and 10 to the 6 here. S0 equals 1.5 times, we do this, subtract the powers, 10 to the 3. Okay, we've got the plot now. If a website has a rank of 3.2, use the plot to approximate the website's weekly visits. All right, so bear in mind that this equation, what we've got here, is different from the equation we were presented with back here. So we're going to need to do some transformations on that value that we're given. So we are told that the website has a rank of 3.2. So that means that 3.2, or we can simplify this to be 1.6 equals, get rid of the 2 there, we're going to end up with log 10 of whatever we our unknown, whatever we get from this, minus, using our log laws, log 10 of our initial value that we got up here, which was 1.5 times 10 to the 3. Okay. Wrong way as well, aren't I? Okay, I'm just going to start this one again. Okay, so for this one, we've got the plot of y equals log 10x. And we are asked to approximate the ranking of the site based off of, we've got the rank of the site, and we're asked to estimate the number of weekly visits. Now this equation we've got here, log 10x, is different from the equation that we have got here, which is this, right? So we're going to try and transform this equation until we have something that we like. So we've got 3.2 equals 2 log 10 of s, which we don't know, divided by 1.5 times 10 to the 3, that is 1500. I'll make that clear so it doesn't look like a 5. All right. Now we can just divide both of these by 2. We'll have 1.6 equals log 10 of s over 1500. Okay. Now if we have a look for 1.6 on this graph here, that is going to be about here. So we'll just draw that line along. We're going to end up here. We will draw that line down. We end up here. Now if that is 10, that's 100. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40. So we end up with roughly 40 here, right? So we're going to end up with the equation 40 equals s over 1500. Multiply those together, 1540 to get s equals 60,000.
Thank you for watching. My name is Henry, part of a team at Elucidate, a non-profit organisation that helps young people succeed at school. If you would like to see more chemistry videos, click up here. If you would like to learn more about us or support us, click down here.